The United Nations 2030 Sustainable Development Goals seek to reduce poverty and inequalities, address climate change, and ensure better access to health and education. The COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in a major setback in achieving these goals, prompting an assessment of all UN countries' ability to meet their targets. This will be used to provide assistance. UN Resident Coordinator Mikiko Tinaka, along with a team on Thursday, engaged the People's Progressive Party government on the economic and social impact of the pandemic on the local economy.
Well, I think the whole world now is hit by the COVID-19 pandemic, and unfortunately, if you look at the Sustainable Development Goals, all the progress all around the world has been impacted negatively. So the economic impact is serious, and many people have lost jobs and income. Health, of course, is a serious issue and a challenge for all the countries. So that is something that we need to look at for 2020 and how to help the country, help Guyana to respond to the crisis, which is still going on, but also to recover from it and then get back on track towards the Sustainable Development Agenda.
The meeting was attended by recently appointed Senior Minister with responsibility for finance, Dr. Rashni Singh, who told the media that the government aims to improve the well-being of all Guyanese at the shortest possible time. This meeting, he said, sets the stage for future engagements.
The economy, as you know, and the country is going through a period of dramatic change, and as a government, we are certainly cognizant of the implications that the changes that are imminent will mean for not only our economy but for the well-being of our people. And our aim, of course, is to improve the well-being of all Guyanese in the shortest possible time through both establishing a conducive and positive broad policy framework, but also through a number of specific interventions aimed at improving people's lives.
Dr. Singh was accompanied by Minister of Governance and Parliamentary Affairs Gail Teixeira. In Guyana's 2019 review of its path to achieving the SDGs, it was pointed out that while economic growth has remained positive over the last decade, its impact on poverty reduction is uncertain since the last national poverty assessment was done 12 years ago. Notwithstanding, the UN acknowledged that a raft of interventions, including those targeting single women, youth, the disabled, and indigenous communities in remote areas, have been implemented to reduce poverty across both coastal and hinterland regions. Bibi Katun, Newsroom.